Good afternoon, my name is Edison Alberto Martinez Murcia. From the negotiation, the technology and the technology evaluation and negotiation course, I am going to the price and the cause effect diagrams and presentation of the executions passed by Colombian companies to protect their intellectual property and finally two recommendations to about this. Obstacles to register intellectual property. Here we have the main problem, the excessive progressive time, and the causes they are quality, relationship, personal, wither, order, procedure. And the main cause high demands on quality, and consequences was overlooked. And the main cause relationship with companies in the director, and consequence process certification requirements. The main cause is impaired personal care, and consequence is quality certification. And the main cause is compensating in the scenes on the rollers, and consequences durability in the Earth's progress. The main cause is in the new ideas, and consequences documentation and organization. The main cause is related to the reports beneath this, and consequences to the four processes. Recommendation: organization of documentation in the adequate and the adequate way. Increase in the technical requirements to the obtain the respecting certification and such in what the product can be increased in the better relationship with other companies can be achieved. Thank you.